So today we're making homemade Mexican pizza. So let's get started. For our Mexican pizza, we are going to need a package of large tortillas, sour cream, half an onion diced, half a red bell pepper diced, a pound of ground meat. I use the extra lean, a can of chilies and tomatoes drained, one jalapeno seeded and diced, a package of your favorite taco mix, and I use cheddar cheese and the Mexican blend cheese. So first thing we're going to need to do is get our meat and our seasoning mixed up. So we'll be right back. We're going to add our pound of ground meat and our taco seasoning. And remember, anytime you're working with raw meat, to wash your hands after. So we're going to get this mixed up right here. Get it all fully incorporated into the ground meat. All right, now that we've got that all mixed up, we need to get a large cast iron skillet, and we'll be right back. So to our large cast iron skillet, we have added a large tortilla for the bottom layer. Then we're going to take our ground meat and spread it out evenly. Go. Wash my hands real quick. Then we are going to take our Mexican blended cheese. Spread that out across the bottom. You're probably going to use 1 to 1.5 cups. And if you want more cheese, you can always add more cheese. There we go. Then we're going to cover that with another tortilla. Then we are going to add our diced chilies and Rotel. Spread that evenly. Then we are going to cover that with another layer of cheese. And this will also be anywhere from 1 to 1.5, possibly. Oh, looks like we're going to use it all. So this is roughly 2 cups. Give that a good press. And we're going to come back with our diced onions and red bell pepper. And then finally, our jalapeno. And the jalapeno has been diced and seeded, so that way it's not too hot. All right, now that we've got this prepped and ready to go, this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. All right, so once this is cooked, we'll be back. So our Mexican pizza has been going for 45 minutes and it's all done. So we're gonna let this set up for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna slice it up and serve it. So be back in a little bit. So the only thing we've done is we've served it up with a little bit of sour cream. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. If any got any suggestions or comments, leave them below. And until next time, enjoy.